Advanced Wet Dual Clutch System by Seastone Technologies. Seastone Technologies, an engineering company specializing in transmissions and drivelines, is providing professional engineering services with extensive knowledge and experience. We are also striving for the development of new technologies to improve vehicle fuel economy and reduce emissions. Recently, Seastone Technologies developed a new wet dual clutch system. Our wet dual clutch system has a simpler structure than existing dual clutches developed by other companies. It consists of only 5 major structural parts to deliver the engine power to the transmission. As a result, we have developed a compact and lightweight dual clutch system. In our new dual clutch, there is a drive housing, 2 disc packs, 2 disc hubs, and 2 pressure plates. The drive housing is connected to the torsion damper and the engine and delivers the engine power to the number 1 and the number 2 pressure plates at the same time. No center support is needed in our system because the number 1 and the number 2 pressure plates are splined together and move freely in the axial direction to pressurize the disc packs. When actuating force is applied to the first pressure plate, it engages the first clutch and the engine power is transmitted to the number 1 input shaft via the first disc hub. And when actuating force is applied to the second pressure plate, it engages the second clutch and the engine power is transmitted to the number 2 input shaft via the second disc hub. Separating springs are adopted in the first and the second disc packs in our new wet dual clutch system. With the separating springs, drag loss in the clutch is reduced, and this helps to improve the transmission efficiency and fuel economy of the vehicle. Because the function of the return springs can be substituted with separating springs by increasing the spring load, the return springs in the actuators can be removed. We use separating springs with small load tolerance and excellent durability manufactured by Mubea, a German supplier for automotive springs. In our unique hydraulic CSC type clutch actuator, 2 pistons are nested in 1 piston bore with a relatively large piston area. Because of this, a high actuating force can be obtained with smaller actuator. Therefore, low oil pressure can be applied to the actuator, and this allows reduced power loss at the oil pump, thereby increasing the transmission efficiency. If the clutch actuator is integrated with the transmission case, its pistons are installed inside the transmission case through a single bore process. This further reduces the actuator space, enabling a very compact, lightweight, and low-cost DCT. The new wet dual clutch system developed by Seastone Technologies will provide an optimal solution for the development of compact, low-cost, and highly efficient wet DCTs. Drive your own technology with Seastone, your open innovation partner.